Syncing, this is the intro to Nick's patio makeover.
Surprise! Nick, you don't even know what's about to happen. I'm so nervous they're gonna come back.
Dude, what the heck?
Fastest room makeover ever. Let's go.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are known as TheSorryGirls.
And today we have a very exciting surprise video.
Oh my gosh, we've never really done anything like this, but there's always a first for everything. So about a month ago, I was dropping off footage at our editor Nick's place, and I noticed his patio was a little bit sad. I took the time while I was waiting for the footage to offload to, decorate his patio on my phone with my finger. This is what I came up with, but I just sent it to him as like look, this is what it could look like if you spruce it up.
And then 2 weeks ago, we decided, wait, he's not doing anything about it. We should do something for real. So we took a little reconnaissance trip to his house. Then a week ago, we placed an online order for some exciting patio furniture to actually make it happen.
Yesterday, I went to go shop for plants. And today,
we just got an order of stuff and we're gonna make this come to life.
Nick, you don't even know what's about to happen. Thank you to your beautiful girlfriend, Ala, for helping us pull this off. And let's dive in.
Building.
Nick's patio is quite small, so we're going to be making the most of this small space. We're going to be adding a rug, doing a small couch, a small table, and a bench in front of the couch that could actually act as extra seating or as a table. We're gonna fill this place with plants and other accessories, as well as lighting to set the mood. Okay, everything's ready to go. These cushions are cute. I like how they're like a beige.
Yeah, I see the vision coming together.
I picked up some flowers and plants yesterday, bee friendly, so I can get to work on those. Speaking of bees, do you want to paint this DIY that we have?
Ooh, yes, an iconic TheSorryGirls DIY. A little bee home.
Bee home.
Yeah, because it's not, we don't have light wood anywhere else. Like we could do like a nice matchy color.
Do you think you can make that color?
I can try. We have a video all about ways you can take care of the bees and our pollinator buddies. It includes some DIYs like this DIY bee home, and you should totally check it out after this, linked below.
Do you think you can make that color? I can try.
Oh my god.
Really?
Instead of getting any old flowers, I wanted to get something that would benefit the pollinators and specifically the bees. So I picked up an autumn stone crop, some bidens, I believe they're called, and some lavender. The bees all like these and they are all appropriate for full sun, which is what Nick gets on his patio.
Guys, this is the first video we're shooting in here that's not Loft Vibes.
We're like kind of shooting it. We're trying to still hide the office because it's not cute yet.
Isn't it crazy that the last video we shot in the old office was like so long ago?
How long ago? What was it?
It was the DIY technique video originally.
And we uploaded that one like way after too.
Yeah.
Okay, what is next?
So yeah, we're in a really good spot. I would love to do something that's just more exciting.
Yeah.
Could we do anything with, we have string lights for him. Could we like hang with that?
I think they would look better hung. I don't know how to hang it because it's on brick, right?
I've got Nick's patio photo that we sneakily took, loaded up. We could sketch it out, see how we could do it.
Yeah.
So when we did it for your patio, we did like dowels, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you could do some like up here. That's easy, right? 1 and 2. And then one here is really easy. So the question is, what do you do about the other side?
Yeah, that back side is not easy. Where are those dowels? I actually might have them at my house. I feel like I didn't throw them out.
Oh, from when you moved.
I moved.
Yo.
So I need to find out if I have those poles before tomorrow's mission. All right, so today's operation day, we have packed the cars, we have everything we think we need because this is a one-stop shop.
I really hope we didn't forget something because we can't go back.
We don't really have time. So the plan is we told him to take a half day. It's been a long week. It's a Friday. His girlfriend Ala is in on the plan. She's gonna take him for a nice walk and then we'll swoop in. The team will swoop in for Operation, what's our really cool code name?
Nick's patio makeover.
Sure, that's obvious, but I'm okay with it. Operation Nick's patio makeover. I honestly feel like we could get this done in like 25 minutes.
I feel like under an hour is a very safe guess.
But we prepped everything.
We're gonna wait for the sign that they have left. The lovebirds have left the nest.
Oh, will they get code names but the operation doesn't?
Yeah. And then we'll come in, start the mission.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, we out here at Nick's house with a broken pair of sunglasses and a face mask. Oh no, my parking pass is in the way. I gotta get out.
All right, so we're on location. They have left. We have no idea how much time we have. We don't know if they're gonna come back for a glass of water. We don't know if they're gonna be gone for 4 hours. So
We could be wasting precious time right now.
let's get to it. I think we shouldn't have regrets.
No regrets. Rugs first, people. Rugs first.
Always.
Come with me and you'll see there's a world of pure imagination if you just decorate a patio really quickly. Oh my god, Becky. I know, measuring. I can't even.
I'm okay, I got it.
Okay. Yes. This like in the corner there? Yes. Oh my god, it's everything I ever dreamed of. Ah, wait, I need a bottom. I need a bottom. Really? Really? Ah! Just kidding. Okay, yeah, not tight at all. Like, so much room. Spacious. Spacious. Don't be so spacious. Don't actually do. Okay, now what? I think we should put up the poles for the lights. Yes. Because then it's just final touches.
Has anyone started a timer? Like, how long have we been going for?
So I didn't end up finding my dowels, but we quickly made these this morning. They're just wood dowels painted black with 2 screws at the top. We're zip tying them to the railing since this is a rental, and boom, we have supports for our string lights.
Nick is tall. We wanted it to be taller or as tall as the door. That's what we wanted. Then it has to go a little higher. A little higher? Yeah.
Cute.
Great.
I love it. I'm committing.
Commit.
Wow, iconic. This is great, and this looks like part
Meant
of
to
the
be.
porch. Yeah.
Wow, what a hack.
And these lights are so light. It's gonna be a non-ish.
0-ish. Whoa, windy day, whoa.
Oh my god, you look so supported right now.
I'm so supported.
This is the best hack that we definitely invented.
Renter friendly. I'm so nervous they're gonna come back.
Well, Alice gonna text me.
The audience doesn't know that.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were having a
I like it too. It's good acting.
I mean, it's Bizzo. But will she, like, she's gonna try to wait for us, but
Worst case, we get a very desperate emergency SOS text. He's decided he has to come back. Then we'll get some warning.
yeah. I'm sweating. Oh my god, cloud coverage.
Yes.
Ooh, and that right there, that was the moment that we jinxed it all. You will see what I mean.
I've been untangling this for years.
Okay.
So we're doing like all around 4 corners, or are you going zigzag?
So we do this.
We didn't do one here.
We did it wrong.
Okay, so don't worry. Do it to how it works.
4 corners?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you can. Okay, that's pretty good.
So I'm installing the bee home on his railing, and then next up I'm gonna be planting the bee-friendly plants.
Look, be alive. Be alive. But the bees will also be alive because be alive.
Okay, cute, right? Good?
We're done.
This can go back up.
You got it? How do you
think,
put that on?
I don't know. Does it literally just hang off the one?
Oh my God, is it hailing?
Yo, it was hailing when we did your patio. Since the rain is coming, I feel like that means they're gonna head back soon. So we gotta get this done. You know what that means. Final touch time. Da-na-na-na.
Dude, we did that.
It looks so good.
How long has it been?
So it was under my hour guess.
It was over my 25-minute guess.
That's pretty good for us. Fastest for makeover ever, I think.
Yes, definitely, yeah.
I think for sure, definitely.
Okay, it is actually starting to rain. Everything's done. It looks good. They're gonna come back like right now.
Yeah, it looks so good. We should let's go hide. Yes?
Yes.
Well, they should be back any sec, but it just started pouring rain. Ooh, what a reveal. Oh, it stopped. Let's hope they come like now.
I don't know how this went from 0 to 100 so quickly, but we really want to see his reaction, so we're gonna stick it out even if it means revealing to him during a thunderstorm.
Do you have an umbrella? I don't think so. He's gonna have no idea, no idea.
I don't think he has a clue.
Wait, what the fuck? Dude, what the heck?
Hello! Look what we did! A little rainstorm's not gonna stop a makeover.
Yeah, I was good. What the? It's exactly how you envisioned
This
it.
looks like a mousetrap.
Oh my,
Yes.
oh my gosh.
Well,
It's so awesome. Really?
come on up. I don't know how wet it's gonna be, but it is outdoor furniture, so it should be okay. What is happening?
Yeah, there's a lot of rain.
I know.
Is this the first rain reveal?
I think
yeah.
the title goes to you. Yeah, first
For
reveal.
surprise reveal, like people know what they're getting.
Yeah,
Like,
people know we're coming at least.
well, Al did.
Oh, wait, you were in on this?
Yeah! How do you think you went for a walk?
So wait, everyone.
You think we got a half day off? We've been here working.
Wow, guys, thank you so much. This is amazing.
You're welcome. It'll be so beautiful in this daylight, which is when we'll take the nice shots. We're actually in the pouring rain right now. I can't. What is going on?
So when I turned around the corner, the first thing I saw was the couch, and I was really confused because obviously nothing was there before, but then all of a sudden there was all this furniture, and as I kept walking, I saw Ali and Daniela with the camera, and I was like, okay, it's TheSorryGirls. It's a space that we never really put much thought into, and we just occasionally sat out there, have some drinks or something, just on the actual patio floor with like a yoga mat and stuff. I can't wait to use the patio at night. It's gonna be so nice with the lights. I'm imagining it being like a Toronto pub downtown and like super vibey with the brick and all the like nice mood lighting and everything, so I'm super excited to try that out. I feel proud that I can give the bees a home and some food because it's a tough world out there for those bees. So the fact that they have a safe haven here on my patio means a lot to me.
Hard out here for
I gotta thank the Sorry Girls so much for surprising me with this makeover. I never would have expected it, and it's everything I would have ever hoped for out of my patio.
I'm so glad that Nick liked his patio because doing a surprise for somebody, you just don't, it's a surprise of what their reaction is gonna be.
And it was a surprise that thunderstorm showed up out of nowhere, but luckily we were able to get it done, and yes, he loved it.
Yeah, the main thing is Nick is enjoying his patio on sunny days and nice evenings.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe to this channel.
And like it. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.